Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to save Netflix movies to gallery. Is it actually possible? Well, first check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to save Netflix movies into your gallery, well, there are a few things that you need to know and you need to understand. Now, the thing with Netflix movies here, or TV series even, is if you try downloading them into your gallery, well, this is kind of complicated. Now, by default, if you try accessing Netflix and one of the TV shows or series inside their platform or inside the app here, typically you'll see the option that says download. Now, that download button just allows you to download that specific movie or series into your device, but not exactly inside your gallery. Now, if you want to watch that series or movie in let you just download inside the app, you still need to open up the app in order for you to view or watch it. But if you're going to check your gallery, well, again, it will not appear in there. Now, the thing with the terms of use inside or for Netflix here is they limit how you download the videos. Now, you are only legally allowed to download those videos through the app. So if you're looking for any way for you to download that inside or through your gallery here, well, as of this moment, it's not yet possible. So unfortunately, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.